Okay, I hope my screen is visible now. So let's continue. Given condition was OP is equal to 2 into PA. So what is OP? OP is nothing but root of x1 minus 0 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square is equal to 2 into root of x1 minus 1 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square. So x1 whole square, so it will be, if we square on both sides, these two roots will be cancelled and the 2 square will become 4. Okay, and x square is x minus 0 whole square is x square and y minus 0 whole square will be y square. So y1 square is equal to 4 into, okay, root has been cancelled, so the remaining is x1 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square. So x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 4. Now here you have to use a minus b whole square formula. What is a minus b whole square formula?
A square minus 2ab plus b square.
A square minus 2ab plus b square. Very good. So we are applying here. A is minus x1 and a is x1 and b is 1. So the formula is x1 square minus 2x1 plus y1 plus y1 square minus 4y1 plus 4. Okay. Now if we take these two to that side, it will become minus x1 minus y1. Open the bracket. Okay, then you will get 3x1 square plus 3y1 square minus 8x1 minus 16y1 plus 20 equals to 0. Now we have to substitute x instead of x1 and y instead of y1. Got it? Then you will get the final equation, that is the locus. Okay, it is compulsory that you substitute x instead of x1. Okay, so then only you will get the locus of the equation. Now let's go for the next question. Find the equation of locus of P. The sum of whose distance from 0 comma 2 and 0 comma minus 2 is 6 units. Okay, so what you have to do, let P be equal to x1 comma y1. Be any point on the locus. On the locus, let it be any point. A is 0 comma 2 and B is 0 comma minus 2. Given condition is PA plus PB is equal to 6. If you add these two, you will get 6. This is your given condition. Now, take this PB to this side. Okay. Then it will be PA is equal to 6 minus PB. Okay. So what is PA? PA is nothing but distance between x1 and a comma 0 comma 2. So by applying distance formula, you will get root of x1 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square is equal to 6. What minus PB? What is PB? It is nothing but x1 comma y1, distance between x1 comma y1 and 0 comma minus 2. So you will get it as root of x1 square plus y1 plus 2 whole square. Now we have to square on both sides. Now as you can see, 6 minus root of x1 square plus y plus 2 whole square is in the form of a minus b whole square. Okay, so if you square on both sides, it will be in the form of a minus b whole square formula. So you have to apply a minus b whole square formula. So what is a minus b whole square formula? It is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so a square, that will be 36. Okay, plus b square, that is x x square plus y1 x1 square plus y1 square plus 4y1 plus 4 minus 2ab, that is 2 into 6 into root of x1 square plus y1 square plus 4y1 plus 4. Okay, got it? Now this x1 square y1 square will get cancelled. Okay, this minus 4y and this 4y will get over here. Okay, we'll send this 36 also over here, and you will get it as minus 8y1 minus 36 is equal to minus 12 root of x1 square plus y1 square plus 4y1 plus 4. Okay, now we can take minus 4 as common and we can divide it. So here we are dividing the whole equation with minus 4. So you will get the equation as 2y1 plus 9 is equal to 3 into root of x1 square plus y1 square plus 4y1 plus 4. Now we can square again on both sides. If you square again on both sides, you will get it. This will become as plus b whole square, and here root and square will get cancelled out, and this 3 will become 9. So 9 into x1 square plus y1 square plus 4y1 plus 4. Okay, that is 9x1 square plus 9y1 square plus 36y1 plus 36. And a plus b whole square will be 4y1 square plus 36y1 plus 81. Now, if you send these all terms this side and simplify, you will get it as 9x1 square plus 5y1 square is equal to 45. Then divide the whole equation in 45 and you will get it as x1 square by 5 plus y1 square by 9 is equal to 1. Now we have to substitute x instead of x1 and y instead of y1. Got it? I'm going to share a form with you. Okay, you all have to fill up this form. Got it?
Sir, but
Yes.
our result, in that we have to write a result also. No, it's not out yet.
Okay, then you can put a dash over there if you have
O-
not received your result yet. Okay,
Okay,
but
sir.
writing email address is compulsory because in future you have to share your homework on that email address. Got it? So
Okay,
email
sir.
address should be perfect. Got it? Farid has already submitted Google form. What about Shahanur and Amima?
Sir, I did not complete because I have to ask this about result.
Okay, no problem.
I'll submit it.
Okay, so just put a dash over there. You can submit, write the result after you receive your result. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we'll continue our class tomorrow, because if you are having any doubt, just let me know. May I know your name? Farid? Sorry, Fardeen.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood everything?
Yes, sir. Alhamdulillah, I have understood.
Okay. For this class from 4 to 5, link is different. Okay, we will be having a revision class of locus, because locus carries 4 marks. Okay, it is a golden chapter because you have to learn only 4 to 5 formulas and you can get up to 4 marks easily. Okay, but other chapters it's a bit difficult because you have to learn more formulas and you have to be perfect with more content. Okay, more formulas, more number of questions are there. So this is the most easiest golden opportunity you have. That's why I'm revising this chapter. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow, that is Wednesday and Thursday, we will be completing this locus revision. Okay. So that you should score perfectly, 100% you should score while we conduct tests next time. Got my point?